Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Shoe Snob unboxing video, one take wonder. Here we're gonna see something different, not shoes, but something equally cool, equally special, and I'm sure a lot of you are gonna like because I love it. I thought I'd start this from fresh this time. I haven't even opened the box that it came in directly from FedEx, so we're gonna be looking at this together, brand new. The parcel is by Singaporean Clothing Atelier, Yeossal. I believe I'm pronouncing that right, but not 100% there. Yeossal is a fairly new company. It's hailing from Singapore, who specialize in, well, a few things really. They have a great shoe selection, specifically of hand welted shoes made in China that are an amazing quality for value. Definitely check them out on a shoe level. What I've really loved about them though, even though I'm a shoe guy, is their clothing line, actually of which I'm wearing right now. So I have one of their field jackets on, a very casual version, in a black cotton. This is actually not something on their site, but something they made special for me, which I love. I have one of their polo shirts in the swallow neck collar here, and the long sleeve in white. Probably my favorite shirt of all time. And in this box you're gonna see some other versions of that, so let's take a look. All right, well, presentation is tip top here. You got tape on the box that says Yeossal. You got wrapping paper that says Yeossal, all packaged very nicely in the different categories. Everything individually packaged. So wow, we're really gonna do this together fresh. I'm gonna set the box down and go through everything one by one, as I do have a couple things here that you guys might be interested to see. So first and foremost, they have made me some trousers, which I'm very excited to wear, as I don't actually have many proper trousers. I tend to be a jean guy, and so I thought getting some nice trousers would be a great addition to my wardrobe. And what I love about Yeossal is their specialty in all the different ways of closing the trousers. I'm not gonna claim to even know the names of these, but here's one with a very long wraparound button closure, both on the outside, whichever way you fancy. So very nice colored tan. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. What I also love about them is they're super high-waisted, which I like. I'm not crazy about belts, and I have a bit of a gut that I need to hide, so very nice there. Nice color. Look forward to wearing those. Let me set these down. This one is very nice. Now this is a navy blue seersucker with a stretch waistband, in their classic chino cut, which I think I'm gonna be wearing these a lot, especially as I slim down from those winter months of eating lots of heavy foods. That waistband with elasticity is gonna come in handy, and I'm a real sucker for seersucker. It's probably my favorite material to wear, just because it's so, in the summer, it's so lightweight, it's very comfortable, and I just like the way it sits. In the interest of saving time, I'm not going to be gentle with these papers. Here's another one in a very dark blue again. I tend to wear a lot of blues, so. And this is a very unique belt loop. I believe this one's called the Hollywood trouser. I could be wrong, but I've never worn anything like this, and I'm actually quite excited to. So this actually comes with wearing a belt, even though I'm not the biggest belt fan, but I thought I'll try something new. It looks kind of cool in the photos. So you have the belt loops, but they don't sit at the actual top line of the trouser. You have a little bit of space, which which gives this kind of tightened waist look, and then it flares up at the opening, which, I don't know, something different, something unique. I thought it was nice. So there's that. Now what we have here is what I'm really going to be wearing when this beautiful sunny weather starts taking over. And this is the short sleeve version of the pop collar, the swallow collar polo shirt that I'm actually wearing right now. So I have a long sleeve version, and these are the short sleeve polo versions. These are gonna see daily rotation by me. Probably need to get at least two more white versions, as I tend to destroy those. White just goes with everything, so it's very easy to wear. I got a white. There's a few blue colors. I really love this one. I think it's called the melange blue. It's a very unique blue blend that I find very appealing. Here's kind of like your classic light blue. I got a light gray as well. Easy to wear, all great for spring, summer. And lastly, I think are the darker colors. So let's take a look. Yep. I got a dark gray, which is a really nice shade. You can see it's got like a blend with black and white. It's not just like a solid gray. It's a beautiful blend of colors. A dark kind of forest green color. Very nice indeed. A dark brown. Let's go all my brown suede loafers. And then navy. Very nice. I actually really look forward to wearing all of these. Super excited because it gets hot here in New York, and what I love about the swallow neck collar is that it comes down so low with only one button. You don't have to fuss around, but they have a little button on the inside of the collar that keeps the high collar always standing. It's a real pain in the ass when your polo's always like falling, your collar polo is always falling down, and you're constantly having to go like this all day long, and you look kind of silly doing it. But Yeossal was smart, and they added a little detail to prevent that from happening. Great. These polo shirts, I believe, are custom ordered, and I believe they take, I want to say, around 6 weeks. They're around $100, which is a great value. I can tell you that the material used is very good. It's very soft. It breathes well. You don't even feel like you have anything on. I can't really rave more about them because I'm a huge fan. I do suggest you take a look. They have great customer service to help you with the sizing. So far, I've been bang on. The jacket's a little tight, but that's probably my fault from all the weight that I've gained drinking beer and eating rice. Gotta stop that. But now we're in summer, so salads and chicken. Here we go, so I can fit into all my nice clothes. Hope you guys like what you see. Definitely check Yeossal out. Check some of these polos out. I tell you, once you get one, you won't want to get anything else. Stay tuned for more as I show you more cool things of the menswear industry, and especially shoes, but every now and then some other things too. Take care. Bye.